Suham from the US.
Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah.
So I have a specific scenario where I was praying and I was in a position, let's say for example ruku, and by mistake I didn't stay long enough to say the tasbih. For example, Subhana Rabbiyal Azim, maybe in the middle I was intending to get up and I just moved my head a little bit, but my hands were still on my knees. So like I was still in a position, but people can see that I intended to get up, but I didn't got up fully. My hands were still on my knees, but I moved my head. So what should I have done at that position?
Nothing.
And what should I do next?
Nothing. You were still in the ruku' position, so you could have said it again and then again and then again. As long as your hands were on your knees, you were still in the ruku' position.